Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ABIL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case you may be new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Friday, so that's where the green line down here is coming from. But after today's monster move, that line's not really relevant anymore. Sure, it pertains, but like I said, relevant-wise, yeah, it doesn't really mean anything at this point. So what I'm going to do is just use this line for more of a near-term level of support, and what I would call the newest ideal level of support, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up above $9. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below 9, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can somehow stay up above there, that would definitely be a massive sign of power. Next level of support after that would be this previous breakout point, and that sits down there around $7.50. So 750, two of the near-term levels of support. Taking a step back, and this assumes you have more of a broader-term time horizon on things, but that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, this right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price can stay above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, yeah, staying above 9 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls are in 100% control of the chart. As far as levels of resistance, I'm not even going to touch on that because as it stands right now, resistance levels really don't matter. What do I mean? Well, as long as the price keeps on doing what it's been, and what has it been doing? Well, it's just been chipping away with these higher bases. So as long as these bases keep getting higher and higher, or if you want to picture these as stair steps, then as you'll see over time, the chart will continue to take care of itself, and part of taking care of itself will be to break those levels of resistance. So focus on building higher lows and then just sit back and let the trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.